Hi, second grade. Here is your day 3 directions. For reading, you are going to retell this story. It says read this story and then retell the story using your own words. Boys and girls, I want you to read this story and I want you to tell this story in your own words with 3 sentences. Okay? You might have a sentence for this first paragraph, a sentence for the second one, and a sentence for the third one. It does not have to be very long, okay? 3 sentences. Make sure those sentences do have at least 6 words, okay? So 3 sentences for that. And then you have your creative writing. It says, imagine you have your own restaurant. What food are you going to serve? What does it look like inside your restaurant? And where is your restaurant located? Be creative. That is something you can choose to cross out if you would like. You do not have to finish it, or you do not have to do this one if you don't want to. I think out of the other ones for day 1 and day 2, this one, day 3, is probably you're going to have to do a little bit more thinking on your own, which is fine. And then it also has my exciting ending. So it comes with this one too. So if you want to take out the writing, you can cross this one out and this one together, okay? That is up to you. You choose whether or not that's the one you want to do. Maybe you want to cross out day 4 or day 5s. And then for grammar, this is a noun sort. All you're doing is I want you to just write in these words where they go. So birthdays, is that singular or is that plural? Pizza, singular or plural? People, singular or plural? Baby, singular or plural? Baby, is that singular or plural? You're just writing in the sentence. You can type it if you would like, okay? Write or type. Make sure it's neat. Thank you. That's all for that one. And then for math, you have fill in the missing number. So they are telling you how many thousands, how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones, and you're just filling in the missing numbers that are there. Boys and girls, you have done several things like this already, so I think you should be fine doing that one. If you do have questions, you may let me know. And then also for math, this is also the same math page for day 3. You also are going to write in numbers in words using the place values of the table. So there are no thousands, so you don't have to do thousands on this one, but they're telling you to write 5 hundreds, 3 tens, and 8 ones using numbers. So you're going to have to maybe get out your word books, your orange word books that you took home, to remember how to write some of those words correctly, some of those number words correctly, okay? They do have hundreds on there, tens and thousands up here, so you should not be spelling those wrong. And then you'll just have to figure out how to spell these numbers, okay? Those both go for day 3, okay? So now I'm going to go back to social studies again. Okay, you might have done this one the other day, and you skipped that one. You might have also done this one already. So now we're helping the mayor. The city is finally built, but the mayor lost all the building signs. Help him label the buildings with the correct names. Read the chart below. So basically, down here in this chart, it's saying A4 is Sun Park. So come up here to A, down to 4. This is Sun Park. So you're going to have to write Sun Park because you're pretending like you are doing the sign. Now you can write it or you can type it, okay? Whichever one would be easiest. Just make sure that if you type it, you move the typing box to the correct place so I can read it. And then for science, you already did this page. We're crossing out that page. So you can do this page today. Plants are natural resources that people and animals use. Below are examples. Write down more examples and draw a picture of your favorite one. Okay, so they're telling you about cotton plants and what it's used for, bamboo plants, what they're used for, flowers, what they are used for, and trees, what they're used for. Pick a different plant. It can be a different kind of flower or a different, I would think about crops. You know, we have lots of crops around here. What kind of crops do farmers plant, and what do they use them for, okay? You can draw a picture of your favorite plant, okay? That is all for day 3. I hope you enjoy doing that. Thank you.